course, we have such a big hugot against this team, NU, ever since us as rookies up to now as seniors. So of course, this means a lot to us. Coming into the game, we knew that this is our time, this is our season. It's now. We've let them have their time, but now it's time for us to step up and rise to the occasion and do what we know we can do, which is we know that we can be a championship level team. But again, like I said, we have to earn it and we have to work for it. Every single point, every single game, every single training, we have to work hard to be able to be what's the word? Like for us to be worthy. For us to be worthy of being a championship level team. So like you said, we are happy, but again, there are things that we need to improve on, and as soon as we get back, that's something that we will focus on.
Same question.
Lalo-lalo na sa aming seniors, malaking bagay din talaga to panalo sa amin. Kasi, nung rookies kami, syempre, andun yung buong tiwala ng Lasal community, ng buong team. Kasi, yung tapang namin nandun eh. And then right after that, wala kami. As a team and individually. And medyo hinayaan namin na magkaroon yung streak yung NU against us. And sobrang laking sakit siguro yung nakuha namin against NU. Kasi ilang beses namin tinay talaga natalunin sila. Pero hindi namin nagawa. So kami ngayon seniors, pinapangako talaga namin na pagpasok sa loob ng court, gusto namin na ipakilala ulit kung sino kami. Gusto namin na magkaroon kami ulit ng statement sa mga kalaban namin. Matagal na namin itong hinaantay and ayaw na namin palagpasin pa yung moment na to kasi eto na yung time, wala na ibang time para ipakita sa mga tao na once again, Lady Spikers kami. Lahat ng values na nandun as a Lady Spikers, dito na makikita ngayon season 88. Kaya gusto namin talaga paghirapan bawat step, bawat game. Gusto namin ipakita yun. Hindi lang sa words, hindi kailangan talaga namin yun. Kagaya sinabi ni Chef, hard work talaga sa lahat-lahat ng kalaban namin. So, yun, pinapakita lang talaga namin yung best namin araw-araw and lalo na per game kasi ang laki ng hugot din namin as a team.